Hello children, in this video you are going to learn number concept. I hope you all remember about the repeated subtraction which you have learnt in second standard. I am going to recall it now. Repeated subtraction. What is repeated subtraction? When a number is subtracted repeatedly from a number is called repeated subtraction. I have given an example here. Raj equally shared 6 pencils to his two friends. How many pencils did each one get? Let's start the solution. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. It means from the 6 pencil he gave 2 pencils to his two friends. So after taking 2 he is having 4. So from 4 if he has given the pencils again, removing 2, the answer is 2. At last, he has 2 pencils. He has given all to his two friends. So at last he is having 0. That is 2 minus 2 is 0. So each one got 3 pencils. Count how many times you have done the subtraction. It is 3 times. So each one got 3 pencils. This is the way you have done the repeated subtraction in second standard. So repeated subtraction is nothing but division. It is also known as equal sharing. What is division fact? Dividend, division symbol, divisor equal to quotient. It has 3 numbers. First number is called as dividend. Here I have given the example 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Quotient is nothing but answer of the division fact. So 15 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient. Here, remember, always dividend should be greater than the divisor and divisor should not be a 0. Each division fact has 2 multiplication fact and as like that, each multiplication fact has 2 division fact. Here, look at the example, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. In multiplication fact, this can be written as 3 5s are 15 or 5 3s are 15. As I said, each multiplication fact has 2 division fact. The example is 2 6 are 12. So 12 divided by 2, you are getting 6 and 12 divided by 6, you are getting 2. Various method of division. You are going to learn different types of methods used for division. First one, you are going to learn about equal grouping followed by repeated subtraction using number line and using equal sharing and multiplication table, and it's a very important method, standard division method. First we will see equal grouping. Here divide 10 balls equally into a group of 2 in each. What you have to do? First draw 10 balls. Here they have given group into 2 in each. It means you have to count 2 and circle it. So I gave the box for 2 circles for 2 balls. So how many box I have done? 5 box. So 10 divided by 2, you are getting 5 groups. This is the way you can do your equal grouping method. Next we are going to see repeated subtraction. As I said, division is nothing but repeated subtraction, and I also told when a number is subtracted repeatedly from a number, it is called repeated subtraction. Look at the example 20 divided by 5. I have given the 4 as red color, which is the quotient, that is the answer of the division. How to do? First write 20 subtracted by minus 5 for first time, you will get 15 as the answer. Again 5 should be removed from 15. So subtract with 5. For second time you are getting 10. Again subtract 5 from 10, you are getting 5. For the fourth time when you subtract 5 from 5, you are getting 0. So till you are getting 0, you have to continue your subtraction by the divisor. When you subtract like this, find how many times you have done the subtraction. That is your answer. Here we have done 4 times. So 4 is the answer. Division using number line. This you have learned in first standard and second standard also, backward counting. Since it is repeated subtraction, we have to use the backward counting, backward jump. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. For number line, what we have to do? Draw a vertical line, make a mark the numbers on the line from 0 to 15 because I have given 12 here. So start the jump from 12 because it is repeated subtraction, we have to do backward jump. So from 12, since the divisor is 3, it is a 3 count. The first jump, 12 minus 3, it is 9. From 9, take the 3, you will get 6. The second jump is on 6. So from 6, if you minus the 3, it will be on 3. So from 3, if you subtract the 3, it will become 0. Like that you have to do the division using number line. Next, division using multiplication table. You all know what is multiplication table. We have done 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables, till 12 tables, right? I hope you all learning the same multiplication table. You have to practice it daily. It will be useful for multiplication and division. So come to the point. Divide 30 by 5. So 30 divided by 5. 5 is the divisor and you can use it as a multiplication table. So take the 5 tables. Start doing 5 tables till you are getting the answer 30. Stop there and find how many times in 5 tables you are getting 30. Look at here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Like that I have started. I stopped after getting 30. So at how many times? 6 times. Marked in red color, right? So 5, 6 are 30. So the answer is 6. Standard division method. This is the method used to follow in the higher classes. This is the only method we will follow for division. Here the given example is 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. What we have to do, the dividend is always inside the upside down L. You should turn the L, keep the L upside down, inside write the dividend first, biggest number. In that division fact 24 is the biggest number, so write 24 inside. Take the divisor outside because it is the multiplication table. So here it is 3, so we have to do the 3 tables. So start doing the 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. I got the answer. So I stopped doing the multiplication there itself. At how many times in 3 tables I am getting 24? It is 8. So 8 is the answer. So write above the L. So 8 is the quotient. So when I do 3 eights are 24. Write the 24 below the dividend. Subtract it because it is a repeated subtraction. So 24 minus 24 you are getting 0. This is the way you have to follow for standard division method. This will be useful for your higher classes. Division using equal sharing. We all know how to share it with friends, right? Usually when you get any pencil, if nobody has, we will give. If you have any snacks to eat, if we are sharing it equally with our friends, right? Like that we are going to do. Here Ramu shared 8 pens to his 2 friends. Find how many pens did each one get. We have to mark the column. Here I have given pens. So pens, for pens I have drawn a column. Then I have 2 friends, so friend 1 and friend 2. First step 1. How many pens I am having? 8. So I have written 8 in the pens column. So for 2 friends I have to give 1 equally first time. So 1 circle for friend 1 and 1 circle for friend 2. Do the numerical statement, that is 8 minus 2 I am getting 6. So I am not getting 0. So I have still pens to give to my friends equally. So step 2. Write the 6. What do you get the answer? Write the 6. Then give the pen to 2 friends. So again I am drawing 2 circles there for friend 1 and friend 2. So 6 minus 2 it is equal to 4. Step 3. 4. I have given again 2 pencils for my 2 friends. So 4 minus 2, it is 2. Step 4. At last I am having 2. I have given 2 pens to his 2 friends. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the division fact I should write? 8 pens. So 8 divided symbol. 2 friends. So 2 equals how many times the subtraction has done? Equally shared has done 4 times. So the answer is 4. This is the division fact for the given example. Division and multiplication, both I can say are relatives. So the opposite form of multiplication is division. The opposite form of division is multiplication. The product of a multiplication is dividend of the division. Each multiplication fact has 2 division fact. I have mentioned it already, right? Each division fact has 2 multiplication fact. And I have given the example 2 4s are 8. The division fact is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And 8 as like that I have written. Just change the divisor and the quotient. 4 is equal to 2. This is the way you can write the division fact for the multiplication fact. Let me explain a simple statement sums. Leela has 30 flowers. She wants to share the flowers equally to her 5 friends. How many flowers does each one get? First statement, number of flowers. How many flowers are there? 30. Write 30. Number of friends. How many friends are there? 5. Write 5. Number of flowers that each one gets. Here we have to write the division statement. So 30 going to divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5. I have done the standard division method here, and I also at the side mentioned with the multiplication table. So 5 divided by 30. So what you have to do? Write the L upside down. Take the 30 inside because it is the dividend should be inside. So take the 30 inside. Take the divisor outside because it is a multiplication table. Start doing the multiplication table at the side till you are getting 30. So at what times it get 30? It is 6 times. In 5 tables it is 6 times it is getting 30. So 5, 6 are 30. When you subtract you get 0. So answer is equal to 6 flowers. It means each one got 6 flowers. I hope you all understand the concept of division. Thank you, children.